Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Palembang, guys. Palembang, Sumatra, heading to... Oh shit, we're not heading anywhere today. I need to get my facts straight. We're going to explore Palembang. This is my hotel, the Amaris, about 22 US a night, pretty good hotel. Comfy room, excellent shower, like really good shower. Okay breakfast. But for now, let's go and explore. Probably not the best place to stop in the middle of a bridge, but guys, this is the Ampera Bridge, pretty famous. But there's another really cool looking bridge over here. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. And a third one just over here. So we might have to cross the river a couple of times today just so we can see the bridges. But for now, we're going to see a mosque, I think, but I'll let you know when we get there. Guys, this is the El Islam Mohammed Mosque. The name's actually longer than that, but I can't remember it all. You're lucky that I remembered as much as I did. You can see the Chinese influence in this, which is quite surprising for a mosque. When I first turned up here, I thought I must have read it wrong and that it was a Buddhist temple or something, but no, it is a mosque. Very unique, guys. Quite beautiful. I've been invited in. The guy over here was going to open the gates for me, but there's no need to go in. We can see it from here. And guys, here it is from another direction. Really quite beautiful. And here's the name here, the masjid, so Mosque Mohammed Cheng Hu. So it's even got a Chinese name. Beautiful, guys. Really is. But let's head off to the next place, which I think might be a museum, but we'll find out when we get there. And I didn't plan this one, just how it turned out. This is the Jimbalan Musi Bridge. That's the bridge we were on earlier, over there. And this is the one we could see. Now there's one more bridge the other side. I doubt we'll get on that today. But yeah, we got to cross these two. Look at this guy, just gorgeous. Really beautiful part of the world. I love Indonesia. Those who've been following me through the 2022 trip will know that that's not an exaggeration. I love this country. And guys, this is a museum, Sriwijaya. I hope I've said that right. If I've said it wrong, correct me in the comments. Sriwijaya, something like that anyway. Put a statue here to start with. I think this might be the Cultural Museum. Well, it was a 50-cent parking fee, but that also gives you entry to the grounds because there's a lot outside of the museum. And then it was a 20-cent entry fee to the museum. Unbelievable. He held up two fingers. I gave him 20,000, which is $2 Australian, so maybe $1.40 US. And he said, no, less. So it was 2,000, which is about 14 cents US. Unbelievable. And it's lovely and cool in here, guys. Humid outside, but lovely and cool here. So, and a lot of this is in English. Oh, now I've said that, this part isn't in English. But a lot of it has been in English as I've been wandering around. Yes, the happiness garden of all. I think the garden outside was built in was put together in 606. This is all about shipping in the area. Yeah, guys, this is well worth 20 cents. Well, 70 cents all up, but well worth it. Yeah, all these tablets were found in the area. And all from Buddha's times, as you can see, the Buddha here. So the Sriwijaya is a Buddhist sect or a Buddhist group. So most of this is Buddhist, but there was a lot of Hindu stuff found as well. So, but I'm pretty sure, and I think Buddha was like the seventh incarnation of the Hindu god, the seventh reincarnation or something, so it's kind of an offshoot of Hinduism anyway. I believe, if I've got that completely wrong, guys, be as insulting as you want in the comments. I only know what I've learnt, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So the Sriwijaya culture had 14 cities, all in this area, and they traded with Arabia, India, the Malay. Oh, amazing, guys, really. And I'm going backwards again through the museum because I can't find the exit, so I'm going to have to go out through the inway and go and have a bit of a look around the gardens, around the grounds. And the inscription on this reads, "Let there be luck and prosperity in the year of 604. You can see here, guys, these are the gardens. These were established, I believe, in 606. Just beautiful, guys. But we'll go in and have a bit of a wander again. I've got my riding boots on, so well, they're not too bad to walk in, but they're not like walking around in sand shoes, runners or anything. Well, it's so calm and peaceful all through here. Really quite beautiful. Indonesia doesn't have the horn honking and things of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Well, Pakistan's not as bad, but India and Bangladesh, toot, toot, toot. But it is nice still to be somewhere so beautiful and calming as this. And you probably saw in the last shot, guys, but it's all lilies through here, which were very important. Lilies, is that right? I can't remember. But a very, very important flower in the Buddhist religion, all through Cambodia, Laos. Everywhere we've travelled Buddhist, they have these lily ponds. No, that's not right. What are the names of these flowers? I'll remember when it's too late. Good old Mr. Google, it's a lotus. How could I not remember lotus? Anyway, so peaceful, guys, but I'm going to head back to the bike, go to the next spot. I think there's another museum, a couple of other things to see, but let's go and find out together. So the selfies with all the ladies back here. It's the husband taking the photos, so it was safe. I can't believe I forgot lotus. Yeah, these are all very, very important in the Buddhist religion. Now we're at the Bentang Kuto. This is a fortress. I'm not 100% sure who built it. It looks Portuguese to me, but I could be completely wrong. Let's go in and find out. There's a bit of a museum in there as well. Got the river just here. It's beautiful, guys. Lovely day as well. A bit humid, but not hot. Well, the army still uses this. So I wasn't allowed in there. Still. Hello. But yes, it does look very Portuguese to me. Very Portuguese. Anyway, guys, let's head off to the next place after we embarrass all these girls. Hello.
Hello.
Well, I was wrong. It wasn't the Portuguese, it was the Dutch. And in 1947, from the 1st of January 1947 to the 5th of January, was known as the 5-Day War, where the people of Palembang fought against Dutch to get their independence. And this is the Monopera, guys. This is the memorial that celebrates the 5-Day War. And a very, very impressive memorial it is, guys. We've been to a lot of these around the world, and this one is possibly the most impressive one I've seen. Unbelievable. Another little tower across the road. I don't know what that is. Another sort of Chinese influence building there. There, guys. The whole of this part of Sumatra. Very surprising. And I knew there was all the jungle tours to go and see. Nah, you're right, mate. I've got these. I've already got, mate. What do I need more for? Thanks anyway. Now, yeah. So I'm in a hurry to get across Indonesia because visas time runs out pretty quick. But there is a lot to see here, guys. Like jungle tours and the I believe there's more orangutan here than in Sarawak, Sandakan. Guys, together we've seen some pretty stinking, dirty canals around the world. Look at this, that's the river right there. Hello, that's the river right there. And this beautiful little canal's clean, Smells fresh as anything. There's fish jumping, guys, so it is nice and healthy. Sadly, there's a bit of rubbish in there. Look at all the fish jumping in here. Bit of rubbish, but that's nothing. When you think that this is coming from miles and miles and there's 2 bits of plastic, nothing, no plastic I can see on that side. Just, yeah guys. I'm gonna go and try and find some lunch. It's about lunchtime. Go back and do some editing, and we may do some more exploring this afternoon. And I just saw all these kids taking photos of this wall, and there's a police station behind us here, so I got it in my head that that hole in the wall there might be a bullet hole or something, but they're just doing an assignment for their college. It's nothing that exciting, but terima kasih, my friends. I'm not 100% sure what this is, guys. I can't get any info, but very, very Dutch building. Beautiful. Got the drum in here, the ceremonial drum. What a day. Oh, and there's another thing just up on the corner here I'm going to stop and show you. Hang on. We've seen many, many Buddhist temples all over Asia. This one is just amazing, guys. Look at the carving in these rocks. Just beautiful. And is it carvings? Yes, that's proper stone. Yeah. Oh guys, this is stunning. Look at these pillars, all the wood carving. Inside's just as beautiful, but there's something going on in there, so I'm not going to go in, guys. You know, I don't like to invade religious spaces. And this stunning Dutch building is a pathology lab. It's absolutely gorgeous, really. Unbelievable. Not my better shot of my hotel, the Amorous. Yeah, I like it there. Nice, friendly people. Breakfast was average, but it's okay. It was edible. Filling. Now I'm going to go and find some food. And then finish editing. And guys, this is the maddogadventures, which seems to be a pretty popular chain all over Indonesia. Let's go in and see what sort of food they have. Hello!
Hello, mister!
Well, that was really good. I couldn't film in there because they were playing top 40 music. I broke my bag, guys. Broke the zip. So we need another bag. Anyway, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.